All right, let's check out my little corner of the blacksmithing world. There's my anvil, 124 pounds. The base can be rotated 8 different angles. It's on a spline for whatever I'm working with. There's my leg vise. Very nice piece. From there we go to my 2-speed drill press. It's my blacksmithing chair there. Kind of works good with this setup. Here's my forge. And my hand crank blower. Then the last piece, my hand grinder. So that's my little corner of the blacksmithing world.